A 1998 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, famously known as the Gold Rush, has made headlines in the automotive world, selling for an impressive $60,000 at auction. This unique Firebird, with its storied history, has become a coveted collector's item despite its controversial past. From being part of General Motors' test car fleet to receiving a junk title in 2009, the journey of this rare Trans Am is as remarkable as the car itself. The Pontiac Firebird Gold Rush is no ordinary vehicle. Originally unveiled at the 2001 SEMA Show, this prototype was crafted to showcase both advanced engineering and striking design. Finished in a dazzling sport gold metallic paint, it became an instant attention grabber. But its value goes far beyond its appearance. This Firebird holds VIN 00001, marking it as the first production LS1 powered Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, a truly iconic piece of automotive history. Under the hood, the Gold Rush is equipped with a custom-built 383 cubic inch LS1 engine, which was meticulously rebuilt by Westech Automotive. This powerhouse is further enhanced with performance upgrades, including a Lunati-forged crankshaft, Holley fuel injectors, XL intake and ignition components, and a ram air induction system. The engine is paired with a Tremec T56 6-speed manual transmission and a carbon fiber driveshaft, providing both power and precision for track-ready performance. Despite its high-performance pedigree, the car's history was far from smooth. In 2009, the Gold Rush Firebird was issued a junk title by the state of Michigan. This status greatly diminished its market value and presented challenges when it was put up for sale. At the time, it was offered at a Barrett-Jackson auction, but its damaged title and history likely kept buyers away. The car was also listed multiple times, including a listing on eBay with a buy-it-now price of $115,000, but it failed to find a buyer at those prices. One of the key factors that made the Gold Rush less appealing to collectors was its inability to be street legal. The car couldn't be driven on public roads, which limited its appeal for those looking for a usable vehicle. Nevertheless, its uniqueness and connection to GM's history ensured that it remained in demand among collectors who saw the value in owning a one-off prototype, regardless of its legal limitations. In late 2020, the car was sold again, eventually finding a new owner in Bowling Green, Kentucky, through an auction on Bring a Trailer. The Firebird fetched a remarkable $60,000, a price reflecting both its rarity and historical significance, even though it couldn't be driven on the streets. The new owner is likely to display the Gold Rush at car shows, events, and track days, where its legacy will continue to be admired by enthusiasts. So, what makes this Firebird so valuable? It's a rare mix of factors: its one-off nature, the historical importance as a GM test vehicle, and the fact that it represents a significant piece of Pontiac's performance heritage. The Firebird Trans Am has always been a favorite among muscle car enthusiasts, and this uniquely built prototype is a rare find for any collector. In the end, the 1998 Pontiac Firebird Gold Rush serves as a testament to how rare, one-of-a-kind vehicles can become prized collector's items, regardless of their troubled past. While its roadworthy status may have been compromised, its place in automotive history is undeniable, and collectors are willing to pay top dollar for such a piece of GM's legacy. Only time will tell if this Trans Am stays in the hands of its new owner or returns to the market, but for now, its story is far from over.